Music Theory, a complete course from grades 1 to 5. Lesson 5, Rests. All the time values for notes that you have learned so far have corresponding signs for rests of the same value. Here, for example, is a semibreve note and its corresponding rest. Note also that the semibreve rest is always used for a whole bar of rest, whatever the time signature, be it 4/4, 3/4 or 2/4. And here is a minim note with its corresponding rest. Notice that the minim rest looks very similar to the semibreve, but there are very subtle differences. The semibreve rest hangs from the fourth line, and the minim rest sits on the middle line. And here are the corresponding notes and rests for crotchet, quaver, and semiquaver. Now, let's see how much you have understood. First of all, what is the time name, for example, semibreve, of these rests? The first one is a quaver, the second is a crotchet, the third a minim, and the fourth a semiquaver. And now, what rest would you need to add at the two places marked with an asterisk? In the first example, you have 3 beats in a bar, and in the bar in question there are 2 quavers and a crotchet already, which adds up to 2 beats. So the rest that you would need to add is a crotchet rest. In the second example, you have written a quaver and 2 semiquavers. That adds up to 1 beat, half plus a quarter plus a quarter. And then after the asterisk, there is another quaver. So in total we have 1.5 beats worth of notes. But the time signature is 2/4 time. That means 2 crotchet beats in a bar. So you would need a quaver rest to make the bar complete. I'll see you in the next video by clicking the card on the left, or if you want more practice on this topic, there is a downloadable written worksheet by clicking the card on the right.